Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. This is for your relationship, Pisces, and this is for your career situation. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. We have Justice in reverse, Prince of Sons, and Two of Sons. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Pisces, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship, guys. So in your situation today, guys, Pisces, you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you are determined, strong-headed, strong-minded. So whatever you decide, you work towards that and you go towards that, and you are confident about that decision whatever you make. So maybe for some of you, I see you in an important position in life. You are a team leader or a manager, someone who has greater responsibility in your work situation, or someone who is really talented, skilled, and people look up to you for support and guidance. So a very strong person you are, guys, Pisces, in your life today, and you are in an important place. It may be in your work or it may be in this relationship. You are a dominating personality, guys, and your views and ideas, your vision, it may not match up with this person you love. So there may be some clash of ideas or the way things are between you. Maybe you are quite mature, you think differently, your perception is different from this person. So that may be the reason for some quarrels or troubles in your situation today. And maybe for some of you, I see that these arguments and fights, that is showing this person what you truly are, bringing out your true characteristics. So maybe for some of you, this person may see you as someone who cannot be tolerated. Your dominating attitude, your dominating that commanding energy you have, maybe because you are right every time. The things you say out of your experience or knowledge, it is right, and this person may feel truly inhibited when you are with them. So that may be the reason for some troubles you have in your relationship, guys. Maybe they are not accepting your your role or your knowledge or your correctness. So they are not willing to accept you, accept your strengths. So that may work against you, guys, Pisces. And whatever your situation is, you are someone who is saying things that are practical and that may work well, guys. But this person is really feeling some kind of jealousy or envy, or they are inhibited by the way things are with you. So that is the reason. So the problems they are creating are their own causing. So they are creating the problems in this relationship, guys, Pisces. That is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have the Moon in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, it just means that certain things in your relationship, it may not seem, maybe it appears as something true on the outward, but it is not something true, guys. There are some truth hidden behind what is there right in front of you. So maybe for some of you it may be some kind of a illusion, or um, it may be your own imagination or this person's imagination. Some mysterious changes are happening in this relationship for you guys, and if you are planning, or if you are moving towards some kind of an important decision today, Pisces, you should not make it. This may not be the right time, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have 7 of Spheres. So with this card in your career situation, guys, whatever you have worked for, guys, all those efforts, whatever skills and talents you have used, you are reaping the rewards today, and you are moving towards a great change in your work situation, guys, a positive change, Pisces. So that is the reading, Pisces, with these cards. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes after a few seconds of silence. So when you choose the card, that reading may resonate, guys, may answer your questions or doubts you have in your mind. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. We have the Frog Prince. Intimacy. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, there is someone interested in you, they are coming towards you, but you are not willing to let themselves come towards you. You are pushing them away from you, maybe because you are scared of intimacy with that person. Intimacy does not mean a very close relationship. It also means that having open hearted communication with that person, guys. So you are afraid of that. You are afraid of that true intimacy and the challenges it brings. Maybe you have an image of yourself and you don't want to, and you always you always portray the image you have, but you don't want this person to know the truth, what you are in truth. So you are afraid of something. So that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe there is someone interested in you, and maybe if you are willing to let down your guard, let this person understand your truth, what is there in your heart, you are simply going to see beautiful changes in your life, and there is going to be a beautiful relationship flourishing for you guys, and you need to understand that. That is the energy with this card. And when you are truly intimate with someone, it has its own rewards, and today that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you, because you do not want them to know what is there in your heart and what you are. That is the reason you are keeping them at a distance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading with the first card, the Frog Prince. So let's see what is the second card, guys. The second card, for those who chose this card, let's see. It is check your emotions. So, with this card, guys, it just means that today in your situation, maybe there is a particular circumstance today and you are feeling really emotional, and sometimes when we are emotional our feelings get the better of us and we react immediately and we go for spontaneous impulses. Whatever we want to say, we just blurt it out. But today we need to keep our emotions and feelings in check, because this is the time for appropriate responses, so not reactions. So when we feel really angry, sad, or we are desperate in some situation, we should not express all that to hurt the other person. In that heat of the moment, we should not let our words hurt that other person. So we should keep a check on that, keep a check on our emotions today. And when we do that, we will be able to find a balance, and it is a very good thing. It's a very great thing for us and for that other person in the long run, guys. So when we express our happiness or sadness through in a very careful manner, through appropriate responses instead of reactions, it is going to change the way things are between us, and it is going to be helpful in finding the balance we need in our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose the second card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.